What if humanity created flying saucers? How would space exploration change? Throughout history, humanity has always been obsessed with the sky. From the first flames we ignited, to ships crossing vast oceans, to spacecraft leaving Earth, all of it points to one single desire: to conquer the unknown. But imagine this. What if one day, humanity didn't just travel into space using slow, expensive rockets, but possessed a technology far beyond all limits? Flying saucers. Not mysterious UFOs from legends, but machines created by human hands. Silent. Instant acceleration, capable of bending physical trajectories. And perhaps even slipping through space as if it didn't exist at all. At that moment, space exploration would never be the same again. 1. The end of the rocket era. Today, every space mission depends on rockets, massive machines that burn enormous amounts of fuel just to escape gravity. They are slow, dangerous, and incredibly expensive. But flying saucers would be different. If such technology existed, it might rely on entirely new principles: gravity control, energy field manipulation, or even warping space-time itself. This would mean no launch pads, no massive fuel consumption, no current speed limitations. A journey from Earth to Mars could be reduced from months to mere hours. And in that instant, space would no longer feel distant. It would become a place we can actually travel to. 2. Planets are no longer distant dots. Today, we know planets through telescope images, data from robotic probes. But with flying saucers, we would no longer just observe space. We would step onto it. Imagine scientists walking on Venus protected by advanced energy shields, research bases rising on Mars, Europa, or Titan, diving into alien oceans beyond Earth. Questions that took centuries to ask could be answered in a single mission. Is there life beyond Earth? Is water common across the solar system? What truly creates life? No more guessing. No more theories. Only direct experience. 3. The leap beyond the solar system. Right now, even the nearest exoplanets are tens of thousands of years away with current technology. But if flying saucers could create wormholes or manipulate space itself, then it would mean we could reach other star systems within a human lifetime. Space exploration would enter a completely new era: direct surveys of Earth-like planets, searching for intelligent civilizations, studying the structure of galaxies from within. Humanity would no longer be trapped inside the solar system. We would become a spacefaring species. 4. Science transformed from theory to reality. Today, much of our understanding of the universe is based on mathematics, theoretical models, indirect observation. But flying saucers would change everything. For example, instead of theorizing about black holes, we could approach and measure them directly. Instead of detecting dark matter indirectly, we might find and study it. Instead of simulating the Big Bang, we could uncover clear physical evidence. Science would no longer be limited by distance. Everything would become testable. 5. The shocking truth: we may not be alone. One of humanity's greatest questions is, are we alone in the universe? With current technology, the answer remains uncertain. But with flying saucers, we could visit habitable planets, search for intelligent signals, even encounter other civilizations. And if that happens, everything changes: religion, philosophy, our understanding of ourselves. We would no longer be the center. We would simply be one small part of a vast, living universe. 6. The dark side of discovery. But not everything would be bright. Such technology would also carry immense risks: weaponization of space, whoever controls it holds ultimate power. Global conflict: the space race could become more dangerous than ever. Unwanted encounters: not all civilizations may be friendly. Space is not only a place of discovery, it may also contain things humanity is not ready to face. 7. Humanity will never be the same. When leaving Earth becomes easy, a new question arises: are we still Earthlings? Off-world colonies would emerge. Humans might evolve differently depending on environments. New civilizations could form beyond Earth. Borders cultural, political, even biological may blur. Humanity would enter a new phase, the post-Earth era. Conclusion: a door or an abyss. Flying saucers, if created, would not just be a technological breakthrough. They would be an evolutionary leap. They could turn space into humanity's backyard. Answer the biggest questions of existence. Take us to places once imagined only in dreams. But at the same time, they might open the door to dangers beyond comprehension. In the end, the real question is not, can we build flying saucers? But, if we can, are we truly ready to step into the universe?